Today we are taking a field trip in my backyard. We are outside. I love the weather. It already feels like it's fall. You know, it's been raining all day, so I'm hoping to get through this video without it raining. Cross your fingers for that. But guys, I am about to show you what I thought about the Ipsy September bag, and also I have a small haul from the dollar store. And yes, of course, guys, it is makeup. So if you want to find out what I got and find out if I liked Ipsy September bag, just keep watching. Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. For those of you that are new, my name is Mandy. Welcome to the video. Yes guys, I still have bronzer all over my hands. Matter of fact, let's go ahead and get a couple of things out of the way. If my voice sounds a little scratchy, it's because I'm just getting over a sore throat. So if my voice sounds a little bit creepy, oh well, y'all love me, so y'all are going to watch me anyways. But anyways, guys, I went to the dollar store today, Family Dollar to be precise, and I found one little end cap full of e.l.f. makeup, and I couldn't believe it. And I believe there was about 10 to 20 different little products there. So I did get a few of those, and I need to go back and get more because, oh my god, I've fallen in love with it. I have not used it yet. Matter of fact, I just opened it and swatched it so I could get some pictures for you guys. So guys, let's go ahead. You know what, let's start with Ipsy because this is so late. I got my bag so late. And every day I've been wanting to put out a video, so I've been using that makeup every day for the last week, trying to put out a video. And there were days where I was losing my voice or where my throat was just so sore. It just hurt every time I said anything. So I really couldn't get a video out. And I didn't want to do one where I'm not on camera telling you guys what I think about it. But first, guys, I do want to show you one thing that should be in a favorites video. This company reached out to me and wanted to send me some of their Vita mints. It's Vita Energy. I'm not sure. I'll put it up here on the screen. They wanted to send me some of their Vita Energy mints to try out and test them out to see if I liked them. Now, guys, I've had these for about a week, and I have been eating at least one or two of these every single day, and it feels like it's equivalent enough to drinking an energy drink, drinking a Red Bull. And I really do like these mints. Now I chose peppermint, and they also sent me a spearmint, which was really good. You know, I'm in that mood where I want like holiday stuff, so I went with the peppermint. Guys, these are extremely, extremely amazing. Now, I'm not sure the price. I'll put that up here somewhere. And there's also going to be a link down for them down below. But it is just amazing that instead of drinking a Red Bull or instead of drinking an energy drink, all I gotta do is pop a mint and get the same effect. So I really do like these guys. It amazes me what kind of stuff they come out with these days. I did want to mention them very quickly because I really do love their mints. Now guys, let's go ahead and get started with the September bag. Now first, let me talk about the bag. It's orange and yellow. Those are two of my favorite colors. I really do like the bag. Now I really don't like the material. I do have to go ahead and put that out there. The material, it gets dirty all the time. I'm all the time putting bronzer on. And of course, the bronzer is getting on the bag. So, and you know what? It's about that time to stop using bronzer, so I don't even know what the hell I'm doing. But anyways, I do like the little tassel on it. I thought that was so cute. Now, I did get 7 products. Well, the neighbor's dogs decided to join the video, and I cannot control them barking. I've waited for about 10 minutes, and they have not shut up yet, so we are going to continue on with this video. This is what happened when we do outside field trips. I'm so sorry about the barking dogs, guys. It is my neighbor's dogs, and they bark every time a feather hits the ground. The theme for this month was selfie with no filter, and I thought that was a really good theme for September, or actually any month. You know, I truly do believe that beauty is on the inside, and I do love the theme. Now, again, I did get 7 products, but 2 of the products was bought with my Ipsy points, so I will show you what 2 products I picked with my points at the end. Now, first thing is first, this is what they sent me. Did send me the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick. Now, I absolutely love this. This is the first time I've tried Huda Beauty, any of her lippies, but I do love it. Now, this is in shade Flirt, so it is the brown shade, and I think there was 3 different shades that they was giving out. I love the packaging. I do love the frosted glass look. I think that is absolutely beautiful. It's very elegant. I do love the packaging. As far as it being long wearing, I cannot really say that about it because I've only had this on for about 2 hours now and it's already faded away. So I'm not going to say it's really long lasting, but I think the color is beautiful. I think the color is gorgeous, and I think now it is like a really deep, dark, browny nude color, but when you lighten it up with a lighter color on the pout of your lips, I think it is absolutely gorgeous. Now, the next thing that I got was the Ciate London Glow 2 highlighter. Now, I think, is there actually a name for this? I thought it was Moon, I think. Yes. This shade is Moon Dust. Guys, I have fallen in love with this highlighter. This has moved quickly to be one of my favorite highlighters. Now, of course, packaging, with it being a sample, of course, it's not the best packaging in the world. They don't put a magnet on the back of their thing right here. I don't understand that, because if they put a magnet, you could easily put this in a Z palette. So the packaging is a little shifty there. But as for the product, it is absolutely stunning. I love this highlighter. And it doesn't take a lot to build it up. I mean, it is very loud and very popping, very... Now, if you go in with a light hand, it can give you that inside glow, that natural glow. Or if you add 2 layers, of course, they're going to be able to see you from space. I absolutely love the highlighter, and it does have like this little pinky shift to it. I absolutely love. Guys, the next thing that I got was one of Pixie's blushes. Now, this is Pixie by Petra, and this is in the shade Beach Rose. Now, this is a matte blush, and you know what? I'm good with a matte blush. I'm good with a shimmer blush. Now, when it comes to contour, I want a straight-up matte contour. But as for blush, I do love a shimmer blush, but I love the matte blushes just as well. Now, this is a very natural shade. It does have a pinky peach shift to it, which I think is absolutely stunning, but it looks so natural on the cheeks. It's very buildable. So, you do have to go in with kind of a light hand with this, because it does show up. It does not look like it's going to show up if you're looking at it in the pan, but it is a very beautiful, gorgeous blush, and I love natural shades like this. Guys, now the next thing that I got was the Bombed Foiled Again. Now, this is one of their single eyeshadows. Now, this is in shade Locked Up. This is such a beautiful shimmer eyeshadow. Again, I've been wearing this makeup for about a week, and I mean, I just adore this bag. Now, this has got a violet, like a purple shift to it, and it's very gorgeous. You could use this for an inner corner highlight, brow bone highlight, anything like that. Just wear it on the lid by itself. It looks absolutely gorgeous. Now, the next thing that I got was Pure Lease. Now, this is one of their facial cleansers. This is the Watermelon Energizing Aqua Balm. Now, you do not need water with it. All you need is about a pea-sized amount in the palm of your hand, and that's going to clean up your whole face. Now, as far as it removing your makeup, I don't think it's really good at that, because I did try to remove my makeup with it, and that was just, it removed a little bit of it, but it wasn't removing anything that I couldn't do with a just plain wet rag. So I think this is really good for just if you're wanting to refresh your face. Now, they say you can put this in the freezer, and it feels really good. I have not tried that yet, but I do love the cleanser, and I do feel like it leaves me clean feeling, refreshing feeling on your face. For the 2 extra items that I got with my Ipsy points, one is the Wander Beauty. This is the Glow Lotion Illuminatrix. Now, what this is like a bronzer and a lotion and just everything, a highlighter, all mixed into one. I absolutely love this. Now, I mix this with foundation. I've worn it by itself. This is an absolutely beautiful lotion. I do love it. Now, I'm not sure about using it for a primer, but it does have like a little bronzy tint to it. And mixing it with my foundation, it just gave it a luminous finish. And I mixed it with a matte foundation, so I thought it was absolutely gorgeous. I do love that. And the last thing that I got with my points was the Elizabeth Mott. This is the Pop Goes the Shadow, and this is in shade Goldie. Guys, this little thing surprised me so much. This is just highly pigmented. One layer is all you need, and I did wet my brush, let me do say that. But through swatches and everything, and if you've been with me for a while, you know I don't really like swatches because it doesn't really judge how they perform on the eye itself. But I do swatches anyways. But by this swatch, it looked absolutely gorgeous, but more intense when I applied it to my eyes, if that makes sense. That's really why you can't really judge swatches. It is such a beautiful gold color, and again, I've been wearing this all week. I wore this, and I wore Foiled again in my inner corner, and then I took this on the lid and put this on my inner corner, and it was equally, both of them, just as beautiful. Alright guys, that is it for my Ipsy bag. Now, all in all, I've got to say it, now I feel like I say this every month, but this is my favorite bag that I've gotten this year so far. Now, I love makeup products. I don't like when they send nail polishes and hair stuff and all of that. I'm a makeup girl. I just want nothing but makeup. I love makeup brushes. I love getting those. I do love makeup brushes. But as far as the bag, this, I am saying, my favorite bag of the year, guys. Now, let's check out the makeup that I got from Family Dollar. First, I want to show you the brush that I got. Now, this is e.l.f. again. They had a little end cup filled with e.l.f. and I just went absolutely nuts. I know they thought I was crazy in there. But this is the e.l.f. stipple brush. Of course, this is the bigger stipple brush. This is a unique 2-layer bristle design. Picks up 2 layers of product to disperse on skin for ultimate control and an airbrush effect. Perfect for adding definition to cheekbones or highlighting with soft layers. Used with any face products such as foundation, powder, blush to build your coverage from sheer to heavy. Now, first of all, I've never used a stipple brush to apply my foundation. What I would use it for is my blush. I absolutely think it gives a blush, just an airbrush finish, using it with a stipple brush, and I really needed a new one, so I did go ahead and grab this. Now, this was only $3, guys. Everything that I got this e.l.f. was either $3 or $2. That's it. The next thing that I got was this little eyeshadow palette. Now, this is also e.l.f. This is a clay eyeshadow palette, and it is in the shade Seaside Sweetie. Guys, I think e.l.f. should leave the clay part to the tart. I just didn't like the eyeshadows. I love packaging. I love all of e.l.f. packaging. I think it's very, very elegant. I love it. I love it. So sheer. Now, it does come with a little thing up here. It comes with a mirror, first of all, but it does come with a little thing, and it shows, like, highlight, base, lid, crease line, and all that good stuff. But as far as the eyeshadows, they're not really pigmented, and the blue is kind of pigmented, but they are just so dusty. They are so powdery, chalky, and I just didn't really like this. Now, again, I don't like judging by swatches, so I really don't know if I really like this palette or not, because I have not used it on my eyes. I mean, who knows? It might perform just awesome on my eyes, and I fall in love with the palette. But as far as looking at swatches, no. I am about to show you a palette that I did like. Now, this was cheaper than e.l.f. This is the LA Colors. They are coming out with new little palettes like these. Now, I got the older ones. They don't have the designs and the eyeshadows or anything. This is LA Colors Nude Eyeshadow, and this is in the shade, or the palette is called Bear It All. Of course, it comes with these little brushes. I don't use these. I toss these. Now, look at the shades in here, guys. These are absolutely gorgeous, and it shocked me so much. Look, now I'm going to show you the swatches of these. Now, again, I have not tried these on my eyes, so I do not know how they perform on my eyes. Now, if they are like a regular LA Colors product, I love LA Colors formula. These just surprised me so much, especially this one. This is more like a foiled eyeshadow. It was just so pigmented and so shimmery. I just absolutely fell in love with this palette. They do have another one. I think it's blue. I'm going back to get that, and I'll show it to you when I do. Next thing is another LA Colors product. Now, this is also new. This is the Highlight and Contour palette. Now, it is a little palette. This was only $1. By the way, the eyeshadow that I just showed you, the little eyeshadow palette, was also $1. This is in light medium. Now, packaging is so adorable on this. But, again, these have not been used on my face. I have just swatched them. The highlight does look a little bit powdery, but who knows, it might turn out to be a very stunning highlight. The contour looks a little bit patchy to me, but then again, who knows? I haven't used it on my face yet, but I do love this little palette. I think it's just adorable, and I cannot wait to try it out. Next is a baked blush from e.l.f. Now, this was $3. Now, this is in shade Pinktastic. Guys, again, this swatch, I actually had to, you'll see when I show you the swatch, when I pull up the swatch, you're going to see 2 swatches on my arm, if you can even see that first one at all. Now, they are side by side. One of them you're not going to be able to see probably at all, but I did scrape the top to this, and then I started receiving some payout, some color. And again, a baked blush is really good, especially if you spritz it with some Fix Plus or any kind of priming spray or setting spray, and it does tend to perform better. A lot of people don't like baked blushes, but I do. I mean, I absolutely love them. I have got some really good baked blushes and baked highlighters that I really do love. So I can't wait to try this one out on my face. Again, this is in Pinktastic, and it does have a little pinky shift to it. It's absolutely gorgeous, and I think it could be used for a highlighter or a blush. Alright guys, now last thing, and I could not believe they had this there, and I could not believe it was only $3. This is the e.l.f. HD powder. Now this is showing down here. I guess it's the shade. It is Hint of Tint. Now this is actually pink. So I got the pink one. They had this one and they had a banana shade. And I've got so many banana powders. And I just had to try this out because, you know, pink is really good for brightening. And it's not just pink. It's actually more peach, looking at it out here in the light. So it's actually more of a peach color. And I think that would be very good to brighten. And again, peach is supposed to be like a color corrector that is going to hide a lot of your dark spots, birthmarks. Like I got a birthmark on my left eye. So I use a peach color corrector to cover that up. I usually use it in cream form, but I could actually try this out because it does have like a little pink thing. But again, this was only $3 and I cannot wait to try this out. Now it doesn't show that it's a color correcting powder, but again, they had this shade and then they had a banana shade. And again, I've got so many banana powders that, you know, I wanted to try something different. So we're going to try this out. Now, let me know if you want me to try all this stuff out on camera, guys, because we could definitely do that. That would be a lot of fun to try this stuff out. I am going to run back up there and pick up a couple more of those e.l.f. products and maybe some more stuff. Who knows? The LA Colors, I got to get that other palette because it's just a bug. But, guys, if you enjoyed the video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Become part of the Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so, so much, and I will see you next video. Bye, guys. Really? Sorry guys, neighborhood kid was here, so I had to quit for a minute. Bronzer on. Wow. They bark at them. It's my name. Wait.